how to restart Monopoly Go, and how to fix the message "We are sorry, an error has been occurred." So let's jump right into the steps. So very first step is you want to go ahead and check if the Monopoly Go server is down. For that, you want to choose any of the browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and search for Monopoly Go server status. You can open any of the links from here, but now we are opening the very first link. As you scroll down, you will see this message. It says no problem detected at Monopoly Go, so your status can be perfect. So if you see there is some problem, then you'll have to understand that it is not only your problem, all the Monopoly Go users are facing the problem. Next thing is you want to go to App Store and search for Monopoly Go and check if there's any update. If the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it. As mine says open, it is updated. Now you want to go to settings and scroll down and tap on general. As you do that, you will enter to the screen where you want to tap on iPhone storage. After some time it will be loaded. Then search for Monopoly Go and then you want to go ahead and tap on it. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to tap on offload app. Then all the caches will be deleted from Monopoly Go. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.